Hello students, let's start today's English work. Joining of cursive letters. J O I M I N G. Of cursive C U R S I V E. Cursive letters. L E double T E R S. And today we will write W, X, Y and Z. Let's start from W. W we will write in 3 lines. Capital W we will write in 3 lines. First we will write capital W. After then we will join small w with capital W. Like this. Okay. One more practice. Start from here. Come down. Go up. Then come down. Go up. Move inside. And after completing capital W, we will join with small w. Like this. Again we will do practice. Start from here. Come down. Go up, come down, go up, move inside, and now write like this. One more practice. Start from here, come down, inside, and write like this. After W, X. Now we will write capital and small x. X we will start from here. Write like this. Start from here. And now join with small x. Like this. Start from line 3rd. We will start from line 3rd. Now we will come back on line 3rd. Now from here. And now after completing capital X, we will start small x. Like this. Again we will do practice. Start from here. Write like this. And now join with small x. One more time. Start from here. Write like this. And complete like this. Next is Y. We will start from Y, line 2nd. Write like this. First we will write capital cursive Y, and after completing capital cursive Y, we will start writing small cursive Y like this. Next, again we will do practice. Start from here, come down on third line. Now write like this, and now join small cursive Y like this. One more practice. Start from here, write like this, and now small Y like this. Again we will do practice. Start from line second and come down on third line. Now small Y like this. 4 lines and small Y we will write in 3 lines. Next is Z. Z. First we will write capital Z in 4 lines like this, and after completing we will join small Z in 3 lines. Capital Z we will write in 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and small Z 1, 2, 3 down 3 lines. How will you join capital Z and small z? Like, let's do practice. Start from here, go on first line, then come down on third line, and after then move like this. After completing capital Z, we will join small z like this. Okay, one more practice. Start from here, write like this, and now small z in 3 lines like this. Again we will do practice. Start from here, line third, come down on fourth line, and now small z like this. Okay students, capital W we will write in 3 lines and small w we will write in 2 lines like this. X, capital X we will write in 3 lines and small in 2 lines. Capital Y we will write in 4 lines and small y in 3 lines. Like as capital Z in 4 lines and Z, small z in 3 lines. And I hope you will do your work in good handwriting. Bye bye.